Hi students, I am Urmil Mengi. Today we will read the chapter of 10th class, A Letter to God. And this is a chapter about a farmer. In this chapter, there is one farmer whose name is Lancho. He is a dedicated agriculturist, and he was expecting a decent harvest. But what happened? A hailstorm came and destroyed his harvest totally, and so Lancho was very sad, but he had strong belief in God, and he was sure that God would definitely help him, and he was an extremely straightforward person. So he composed a letter to God. In the letter, he asked God to send him 100 pesos, and at that point he went to the post office and put the letter to the post office. The postman removed the letter from the letter box, and he read the address the written was on it. He laughed, and he showed this letter to the postmaster also. Postmaster also laughed in the same way when he saw the address of God. When he read the letter, he got very serious. He realized that this God has an extraordinary confidence in God. So he decided to help that person. He asked the employees of the post office to give money, and he gave the part of his salary also, but they were able to collect only a little more than half of the money which was requested by the farmer. The postmaster put the money in an envelope and addressed it to the Lancho. Next day, uh, the postmaster sent this envelope to on this address, and when the Lancho saw the money, he was not surprised even. Uh, Lancho was surprised at seeing the money that was less when he counted. He became very angry. He thought that God couldn't have made the mistake. He took paper and ink and wrote another letter to God. Then he put the letter into the post box. After Lancho had gone, the postmaster and employees read the letter. Lancho had complained to God that he had received only 70 peso, and I hope you have sent me full money. But this time he requested God to send him rest of the money, but not on the address of the through the post office. He wrote the post office employees were a bunch of crook. They all are very cheated person. They have stolen my money, and in this way we can say that in this story there are two types of conflict the writer has shown. One conflict human being too with the nature, and because he is sad, nature has spoiled all his crops. And second conflict, human being with the human being. He doesn't believe, human being doesn't believe on other persons. As postmaster and employees send him money, but he doesn't believe, even he blame on the post office employees. Mean there is not believe in a human being. There is not believe the people who are survive and who are in front of us, and we believe on the God mighty which we who we have never seen. So writer want to request us that we should create a faith in human beings, so that we should help each other and we can take the help of others. Okay, bye. I hope you understand the chapter.